Morning, everyone. So today we're cooking with our Garden Buddy shirts on because we want to remind everybody that this summer we're actually going to have garden programs. So they won't be like they have been in the past. They're just going to be one-time events scattered throughout the summer for different ages. So pay attention to our website and our Facebook page for updates on those. So to get started with our cooking video, this week we decided to make a Texas chocolate quarter sheet cake. So it's like a big sheet cake, only it's toaster oven size. So since we didn't have the 10 by 12 by 1 sheet that the recipe suggests, we are going to use these little 10 by 4 sheets that we have in our torte cake kits that you can get in the This and That collection. We're going to see how that works. At the end, we'll tell you whether or not we recommend doing that. The first step is to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. We've got both of our ovens going here, so we can fit all 3 pans in. Then you lightly spray your cooking sheets, and then to make the cake, you get your medium-sized mixing bowl ready, and you whisk together your flour, sugar, and your salts.
All right, whisk them. Whisking. Okay. I'll whisk.
Then you set that aside. And in a small saucepan over medium-low heat, you melt your butter. So we'll be back in a minute. Once your butter is melted and your water is fully boiling, you stir the boiling water and the cocoa powder into the melted butter.
Okay. I can do that.
While Erin is stirring that together, I'm going to stir together the buttermilk and your egg in the measuring cup. And then it says to add your baking soda and your vanilla. So we're going to bring our flour mixture back here. We're going to add the buttermilk mixture to the flour mixture and follow that with the boiling water mixture. So have you stirred that in? So since we only have these 3 little pans, I'm just going to evenly distribute it amongst the 3 pans. So you bake these in your oven, your preheated oven, for 15 to 18 minutes if you have the full sheet. We'll have to set a timer and check ours at about 10 probably. So we'll be right back. So while your cake is in the oven baking, you want to make your frosting. So the first step of the frosting process is to melt those 7 tablespoons of butter in the same saucepan that you used for the previous melting process. So once the butter is melted, you stir in your cocoa powder. Okay. Your buttermilk.
Okay.
And vanilla.
And the yummy vanilla.
You just stir that in until it's well combined. Once those are all combined, you remove your pan from the heat and you whisk in your 2 cups of powdered sugar. Trying not to get them on the table. There we go. All right, so then it says you immediately put it on your cakes while they're hot from the oven, and you spread it to the edges using an offset spatula or a knife.